In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save OneNote to OneDrive. To begin, let's ensure that you're logged into your Microsoft account. Open up your preferred web browser and navigate to Microsoft's website. Once there, simply enter your email and password when prompted, and sign in. This process sets you up to access all Microsoft Office applications online, which is key to smoothly following today's guide. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen. Here, you'll see the App Launcher, a grid-like icon made up of small squares. This icon is your gateway to various Microsoft apps. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear showcasing several options. From this menu, find and select OneNote. This selection will take you to your digital notebooks where you can access all your notes. Now, within OneNote, choose the specific note you want to save to OneDrive. If you haven't created the note you want to save, this is the perfect opportunity to either create a new one or select one from your existing notes. Have your note ready? Excellent! Now, here's a crucial point to understand about OneNote. It is designed with seamless integration with OneDrive in mind. This means that any notes you create or edit are automatically saved to your OneDrive. However, it's always good practice to double-check that your OneNote is automatically saving to OneDrive. If for some reason the automatic saving feature isn't evident, there's no need to worry, because you can save your note manually. To do this, click on the note's name to navigate to the File options. If the autosave feature is unavailable, click on File in the top menu bar. From the sidebar that appears, choose Share. This action will bring up a new selection in the main window, from which you can pick OneDrive as your preferred location for saving your note. Confirm your choice, and the note will then be saved to your OneDrive account. As a last step, remember to hit the Save button to ensure your note is securely stored in OneDrive. This final step ensures that you can access your note from any device, as long as you're connected to the internet and logged into your Microsoft account. Remember, saving your notes to OneDrive not only keeps them safe but also makes them readily available wherever you go. By following these easy steps, you'll have your OneNote notes syncing effortlessly with OneDrive, ensuring they're safe, secure, and accessible on the cloud. Thank you for watching, and happy note-taking!